everyone. Today I come with my food. This is a fish. This is a gang som. Today I make to how to the gang som and scrambled eggs with it. Hi.
Hi everyone. Today I'm here at my kitchen. Today how to the gang
She
som.
speak with
Gang
fish.
som fish.
Hello, the
Gang som in
fish.
Thai and omelette. I'm ready. Start from ingredient. Fish.
Start from ingredient fish.
Fish and
Squid it.
egg.
Egg. Oil.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce
Sugar.
or soy sauce.
And
Sugar and curry in Thai.
curry
I don't know in English.
Start from fried fish.
Start from fry the fish. Add the fish in the oil. The heat oil. The oil is over high heat. Wow. Wait. Go to the gang som soup. Bring water to repair boil. Dissolve the soy soup paste that has the pour together. Add the fish sauce or soy sauce and taste. Wow, the fish finished. Wow, 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 wow. Pour the soup on the fried fish. Garnish on the top with coriander leaf. Next is the make the scrambled egg with the squid. In the medium size bowl, add the winter egg, fish sauce and soy sauce. Stir until all together mix well. This oil is worked over medium heat. Then pour in the egg mixture. Fry until they scramble. Fine. Scrap. Wait. Wow. Nearly the finish. The last, transfer the scalpel to a plate, garnish on the top with the grinder leaf. Yay, finish. Eat. The, the two foods is together. For her, wow, the fish, wow, wow, wow. For her, very good, she said. Thank you very much. Bye.